Students, today we are going to start with homologous series. Children, this is an important part. Homologous series is nothing but it is a group of organic compounds. Okay, it is a group of organic compounds. Now it is a group of organic compounds means we have already studied alkane, alkenes and alkynes. Okay, so it is a group of organic compounds that have similar structure and similar chemical properties. Okay, that have similar structure and has similar chemical properties, and also it differs, the successive member in the group differs by CH2 group. Okay, the successive members in the group differ by CH2. Okay, CH2. Now when we calculate the mass of CH2, okay, one carbon atom weighs how many grams? 12 grams. One hydrogen weighs 1 gram, so there are two hydrogen, 1 into 2 plus, so what is the total mass? 12 plus 2, that is 14 AMU. Okay, so all the members in the series, okay, in the homologous series differ by 14 AMU or 14 atomic mass unit. Okay, now what is homologous series? Firstly, let me show you. If I take hydrocarbon, okay, we know that hydrocarbon is nothing but it is made of what? Carbon and hydrogen. We have studied two types of hydrocarbons, yes or no? That is aliphatic and cyclic. In aliphatic also we have studied saturated and unsaturated. So we are basically concentrating on aliphatic compounds, that is open chain. Okay, open chain. Now these aliphatic compounds are further classified into two. We have studied, one is saturated compound and the other is what? Unsaturated compound. Okay, I have told you that in saturated we have alkanes. The series is known as what? Alkanes. And in unsaturated further also it is divided into two, that is alkenes and alkynes. Okay, now in alkanes the general formula is what? CnH2n plus 2. Okay, now let us start with this first homologous series. Okay, homo means what? Same. Okay, it is a series of that same group. Okay, so let us start with CnH2n plus 2. Children, I have told you that alkanes, okay, they have what? Suffix ane. With the name we will use what? Suffix ane. Okay, so when we have carbon atom 1, okay, then the name is what? Meth. Okay, when carbon is 2, then the name is what? Eth. Okay, when carbon is 3, then the name is prop. Okay, when we have 4 carbon atoms, then its name is what? Bute. Okay, and when we have 5 carbon atom, then its name is pent, then hex, hept, oct, non and decane. Okay, this way. Okay, so I am just considering now the first 5. Okay, now when I will substitute integer n is equal to 1, I will get what? Carbon 1. So what will be the formula by substituting n is equal to 1 here? It will give me what formula? CH4. Now 1 carbon atom means what? Meth. Okay, 1 carbon means what? Meth, and it will add the suffix ane of the alkene because it is a single bonded compound. Now when I will substitute 2 here, okay, 2 here in the formula, here CnH2n plus 2. So when I substitute 2 for n, so H into 2 plus 2, so what it will give me? C2H6. Okay, so second carbon atom is what? C2H6 and its name is what? Eth. I will write what? Ane in the name. Okay, this is ethane. Similarly for propane it is what? C3H7. Okay, then for butane it is what? C4H10, C3H8. Sorry, it is what? C3H8. Then for butane it is C4H10. For pentane it is what? C5H12. Okay, so here I am writing the name. Its name is propane. Here the name is butane, and for the fifth carbon atom the name is what? Pentane for this alkane series. I am only considering first alkane series, homologous series of an alkane. See why children homo? Because they all have same groups in it. Now see here, when we see methane and ethane, this group differ by CH2. Yes or no? If I will add CH2 to this CH4, it will give me C2H6. Yes or no? Again, when you see the successive group from C2H6 to C3H8, it is differing in CH2. ओके यानी कि अगर मैं C2H6 में CH2 ऐड कर देती हूँ तो क्या हो जाएगा? C3H8 हो जाएगा. फिर इसमें क्या होगा? Again further successive series में I see a difference of CH2 group. Again I see a difference of CH2 group. Are you getting? So CH2 group is very important in the homologous series. So what does homologous series tells us? It is a group of organic compound with similar structure. All of them will have same structure. Okay, that is they are all single bonded. Then they have similar chemical properties also. This we will discuss. And the group member differs by a CH2 molecule. So I have shown you here. Okay, so now let us discuss for this group. Okay, then I will later on in the next class I will discuss with alkenes and alkynes. So let us discuss with this part. Okay, the first property of homologous series is that if I add CH2 group to the given hydrocarbon, another hydrocarbon with a higher number of the carbon atom is obtained. For example, अगर मैं CH4 में CH2 ऐड कर दूँ तो ये मुझे क्या देगा? नेक्स्ट मेंबर देगा जो कि उससे हायर मेंबर है, तो ये मुझे क्या देगा? C2H6. सिमिलरली अगर मैं C2H6 में CH2 को ऐड कर दूं तो वो मुझे फर्दर नेक्स्ट हायर मेंबर देगा, प्रोपेन, दैट इज C3H8. yes or no? See, this will go on when you will add CH2. Now when you subtract CH2 from the group, अगर मैं C3H8 में से CH2 निकाल दूंगी तो वो मुझे क्या करेगा? उसका लोअर मेंबर देगा. इसी C2H6 में से अगर मैं फिर से CH2 मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव कर दूं तो वो मुझे उससे भी लोअर मेंबर देगा. yes or no? That is methane. So this you need to remember for the homologous series. Now let us consider the properties of the homologous series. This is the characteristic of the homologous series that we have to discuss. Characteristic of homologous series. Okay, characteristic of homologous series. The first characteristic is that each member differs by in a series. I am talking about in a series. I am only considering now alkane or alkene or alkyne. Any one series you will consider. So each member differs by CH2 group. Okay, that is 14 AMU mass. Okay, 14 atomic mass unit. Then all members of the homologous series share the same general formula. Okay, all the members in the series have same general formula. They have same general formula. I have shown you for alkane ना children here. See here, alkanes का जनरल फार्मूला क्या है? CnH2n. अब तुम उसमें फिर n बढ़ाते जाओ लेकिन सबका फार्मूला तो एक ही है. दैट इज जनरल फार्मूला इज व्हाट? CnH2n for this group. Okay, are you getting? Now for alkenes also, let us consider these two groups also. Let me give you the alkene and alkyne. Okay, let us discuss this homologous series also, then I will go to the characteristic part. Now in alkenes the formula is what? CnH2n, and in alkyne CnH2n -2. अब मैं इसका फर्स्ट मेंबर, एल्कीन का फर्स्ट मेंबर जो है C1 अगर मैं सब्सटीट्यूट करूँगी तो मीथीन जैसा कोई कंपाउंड नहीं होता है. इट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. ओके, द मेंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम C2 ओनली. Okay, where carbon n is equal to what? 2. Okay, so here it will start from second carbon atom. So when I substitute 2 here, so it will give me what? C2H4 है ना, 2 2s are 4. Again when I substitute 3, okay, so what it will give me? C3H6. Okay, again when I substitute 4, so what it will give me? C4. 2 4s are 8, that is C4H8. Okay, are you getting? So this is your alkene. So the second member, second कार्बन से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना, तो इसका नेम क्या होगा? यहाँ पे इसका नेम क्या होगा? ईथ. ओके, एंड इन ऑफ दिस डबल बॉन्ड. ओके, eth with ene. Now this is 3 carbon atom, so name will be what? Prop, and suffix will be what? Ene, because it is a double bond. Now here the name will be what? But and ene, because it is a double bond. Okay, now here when you see the successive members, okay, of this group, okay, again let us see the successive member of the group. When you go from C2H4 to C3H6, C2H4 से हम C3H6 में जाएंगे, तो I can see a difference of CH2 group here also. Yes or no? Again I can see the difference of CH2 group here. I hope that you are getting. Okay, now again for this compound, okay, alkynes. In the alkynes, the formula is what? CnH2n minus 2. Here also the carbon atom will start from the second. Okay, so when I substitute n is equal to 2 here, n is equal to 2, so what will be the formula? C2H, 2 2s are 4. ओके, 4 में से 2 माइनस करना है ना हमको यहाँ पे. ओके, सो 4 में से अगर तुमने 2 माइनस किया, सी हियर आई एम शोइंग 2 minus 2, सो व्हाट इट विल गिव मी? C2H2. okay, C2H2. This is the first member of the alkyne group. This is the first member, and it is starting from the second carbon atom only. Now what will be its name? Its name is what? Eth, because it is second carbon, and there will be a suffix of YNE because it is a triple bond. So its name is what? Ethyne. Now the second member of this series, I will write here C3H4. okay, the third member of this series is C4H6. fourth member of the series is C5H8. okay, now what will be the name here? It is propyne, YNE. Here the name is what? But and YNE. Here the name is what? Pent and YNE. okay, for this alkyne series also. Now in this alkyne series, when I go from C2H2, इथीन से अगर मैं इथाइन से अगर मैं प्रोपाइन में जा रही हूँ, ओके, दिस इज योर इथाइन एंड दिस इज propine. So when I move from here to here, I see a difference of CH2 group, है ना. C2H2 में यहाँ पे एक कार्बन और 2 हाइड्रोजन का डिफरेंस है. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर going to discuss about the homologous series. So again, group of the organic compounds, they have similar structure, similar chemical properties, even they have similar general formula also in the group. okay, I hope that you are getting this. okay, now let us come to the characteristic. Each member differs by CH2 group, that is 14 atomic mass unit. All the members in the series have the same general formula. This is the characteristic properties. okay, like for alkanes, they have general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkene, they have general formula CnH2n, and for alkyne, they have the general formula CnH2n minus 2. okay, now let us see the third characteristic. Now as the member of this group is increasing by CH2 na, yes or no? So chemical properties is same, but we are seeing a difference in the physical properties. like for example, मैं alkane consider करती हूँ. एग्जाम्पल, ओके, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एल्केन. अगर मैं एल्केन ले रही हूँ तो एल्केन का फर्स्ट मेंबर क्या है? मीथेन. okay, methane, CH4. second member is ethane, C2H6. now this group differs by CH4. okay, so physical properties तो different हो गई ना. इसके पास एक कार्बन है और इसके पास 2 कार्बन है. are you getting? physical property is different. physical means the outer appearance. okay, so here the physical properties of the members gradually show an increase. The physical properties, the third point is that the physical properties shows gradual increase when we move down. okay, so here for propane, C3H6, again the physical property is different because the mass is increasing. now here the mass is what? 14 for methane. Sorry, it is differing by CH2. okay, CH2. so the mass of here मीथेन का मास कितना हुआ यहाँ पे 12 + 4 कितना हो गया 16 AMU है ना, 16 एटॉमिक मास यूनिट। इथेन का कितना हो गया मास यहाँ पे 12 2 ज़ा 24, 24 + 6 कितना होगा चिल्ड्रन, ओके, its mass is what 30, yes or no? So you can say that there is an increase in the atomic mass. So what physical property is increasing here? Molecular weight increases, molecular weight increases, even the solubility also increases, solubility increases, its boiling point increases. This you all need to know, okay? So all the physical properties goes on increasing. This is not for alkene, it is for all the three members of the series, okay? I hope that you are getting, children. Okay, now the fourth chemical characteristic is that they have similar chemical properties. The fourth one is what? They have similar chemical properties, similar chemical properties. Okay, now what chemical properties they have in similar, children? I have told you that alkanes, they are saturated compounds, yes or no? अब सैचुरेटेड है तो सैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड क्या होगा, सिंगल बॉन्डेड होगा, yes or no? It is what? Single bonded, and it also undergoes substitution reaction. This I have explained you. Substitution मतलब किसी को रिप्लेस करना, ठीक है। सो अब तुम मीथेन ले लो CH4, अगर मैं इसमें क्लोरीन को रिएक्ट करती हूँ तो इसका एक हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस हो जाएगा किससे, क्लोरीन से। सो इट विल बी व्हाट, CH3Cl + HCl मिलेगा, है ना। दिस इज फॉर मीथेन। Similar reaction is shown by the next member. This is methane, okay. Similar reaction is shown by the next member. Next member is your ethane. ethane का फॉर्मूला क्या है, C2H6। अगर उसमें भी मैं एक क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल ऐड करती हूँ तो वो मुझे क्या देगा यहाँ पे, C2H5Cl। एक क्लोरीन एक हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करेगा प्लस HCl। सो दोनों लोग मुझे क्या दिखा रहे हैं, दोनों क्या दिखा रहे हैं, सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन दिखा रहे हैं, यानी कि इनकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ भी क्या होंगी, सेम होंगी। सिमिलरली व्हेन वी कंसिडर एल्कीन्स एंड एल्काइंस, सो इन एल्कीन्स एंड एल्काइंस दे विल अंडरगो एडिशन रिएक्शन ओनली, ओके। It is for all the members. All the members will show the same chemical properties. Okay. Now, all the members of the homologous series are prepared by using the same general preparation method. Suppose I can say that if I want to prepare, okay, okay, let me show you the preparation reaction. Okay, I want to prepare. Okay, what I want to prepare, say I want to prepare alcohol, okay, I want to prepare alcohol, okay, I want to prepare an alcohol. So let us consider for alkyl group, okay, say CH3Br, okay, CH3Br, ये क्या है, alkyl। I have explained you what is an alkyl. alkyl में एक हाइड्रोजन कम होता है किसका, एल्केन से। सो CH3Br विल रिएक्ट विथ KOH, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। दिस इज एक्वस, ये पानी में है, ठीक है। अगर हम इन दोनों को बॉईल करते हैं तो इसका रिएक्शन क्या होगा, ओके, इट विल रिएक्ट दिस वे, इट विल फॉर्म व्हाट, KBr प्लस यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा, CH3OH। ये एक एल्कोहल है, OH मीन्स व्हाट, इट इज़ एन एल्कोहल। वी विल डिस्कस हाउ द एल्कोहल्स have the general formula, okay. So this is your methanol, methane and all, this is methanol, okay. Similarly alcohol can be prepared by using alkyl group. Again this member is your methyl bromide na, here it is what, methyl bromide. आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड। मिथाइल किस लिए, बिकॉज एल्काइल ग्रुप है, मीथेन का एक हाइड्रोजन कम है तो वहाँ पे क्या लग गया, वायल, ओके। अब सिमिलरली आई एम शोइंग यू द प्रिपरेशन बाय यूजिंग इथाइल ब्रोमाइड, C2H5Br, ओके, C2H6 इथेन का फॉर्मूला है, उसमें से एक हाइड्रोजन कम कर दो तो C2H5 हो जाएगा, प्लस KOH अगर किया है तो क्या होगा, इट विल गिव मी व्हाट, अगेन KBr, ओके, प्लस C2H5OH, ओके। यहाँ पे अब क्या प्रिपेयर हो गया, इथेनॉल, ओके। सो आई कैन प्रिपेयर एल्कोहल, एक ही प्रिपरेशन हम कर सकते हैं यूजिंग द सेम सीरीज ऑफ द ग्रुप, Okay, I hope that you have understood. The last topic is that the significance of homologous series. Why we need to study homologous series? What is the significance? Children, the significance of the homologous series is that it gives a systematic study. It gives a systematic study of the organic compounds. It gives a systematic study of organic compounds. This is the first significance. The second significance is we can predict the properties of undiscovered groups, undiscovered members. ओके, इफ़ वी नो द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ दैट सेम ग्रुप. ओके, जैसे अगर मैं एल्केन की ग्रुप की बात कर रही हूँ, ओके, ये C1 C2 C3 C4 C5 ऐसे करके C10 C20 तक है चिल्ड्रन. अब C20 तक तो ज़्यादातर प्रिपेयर हो चुका है, इट एग्जिस्ट. आफ्टर C20 विल दे शो द सेम प्रॉपर्टी और नो? आई कैन प्रेडिक्ट ना, बिकॉज ये तो एल्केन है तो वो यही फॉर्मूला से काम करेगा और सेम केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी शो करेगा. सो वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द अनडिस्कवर्ड मेंबर्स ऑफ द ग्रुप इफ वी नो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द प्रीवियस एलिमेंट्स. थैंक यू. आई होप दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड.